Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Airbnb listing. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. Now at the bottom right corner you can see a profile option. Tap on it, then you're gonna find switch to hosting option. Go to switch to hosting, then go to your hosting profile. Now on your screen you can see options like today, calendar, listings, messages and menu. Tap on the listings. There you can find the listings that you want to delete. Select the listing that you want to delete. Then on the top right corner you can see a menu option. Tap on it. Then at the end of the options there's remove listing option. Tap on it. Now on your screen you can see various options of reasons why you want to delete your listing. Well, select one of them, tick on the box right next to the reason and tap on next. Now tap on yes, remove, and there you go, your listing is successfully deleted. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete Airbnb listing. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.